To turn off the orange dot on your iPhone, you need to understand that the orange dot indicates that an app is currently using your microphone, a feature added by Apple for privacy purposes. While you can't disable the orange dot itself, you can stop it from appearing by managing microphone access for your apps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside this menu, find and select Microphone. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that have requested access to your microphone. Review this list carefully and toggle off the switch next to any app that you don't want to have access to your microphone. This action prevents those apps from using your microphone, and as a result, the orange dot will not appear when those apps are active. However, keep in mind that some apps, like voice recording or video calling apps, require microphone access to function properly, so disable access only for apps where it's unnecessary. After making these changes, go back to your home screen. If no app is using the microphone, the orange dot will no longer be visible when you use your iPhone.